Do you also want to add captions to your boring videos like this? First, open Capcut and go to Media to select the video in which you want to add captions. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Simply click on the text option and you'll see some options on the left side. Click on Auto Captions and then you'll get an option to select the language you want the captions in. I want them in English, so I'll keep English selected. After that, click on Clear Current and then click on Create. In just a few seconds, your video will be ready with captions. So, here's our video, and it's ready. Now, we can even change the templates of the text. Let's see how it's done. Simply click on the template option on the right side, and you'll see an interface like this. You can now choose any template you like, just like I'm doing. You can easily adjust the font size as well. Your video is now ready. You can go to export and save it. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.